Hello everyone, David here. I've just got back from the Philadelphia Polar Bear Train Show, and I got a ton of stuff. I don't know how I'm going to show all this, but I got two different what I call mystery boxes, where you stand there poking through stuff and you think you might buy something, and the guy says, "I'll sell you the whole box for $5 or $10." So before we get to the train show stuff, I wanted to show you. I made this little N-scale house last night on my 3D printer. I think that's pretty neat. Having fun with 3D printing. I gotta redo that roof, but pretty nice little house. Okay, let's see what kind of stuff we got at the train show. Oops, that one's falling apart. So, I got 4 locomotives here for $3 each. I already have one of these. I don't know if it's exactly the same or not. Yes, it is. I can fix that. This is an AHM. I don't know if I can fix that because that is broken in there, but that's alright. And that one there I paid $3 for. I think it's Tyco. And a Baltimore and Ohio, which I think is a Tyco. Okay, so $3 each on those guys. Okay, we'll just do this here. Guy had a box of stuff that I was looking at, and he said, "I'll sell you the whole box for $10." So that included that. That looks nice, in good shape. This, 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 this. Okay. I don't know what that is. Some pieces. Rail joiners. We can always use those. These are track nails, roadbed nails. Okay, that was in the box. One of these, no wheels. Hey, another power supply. Alright. A ceramic house. That looks pretty nice. Okay. A bunch of HO cars and a pickup truck. I needed a pickup truck. Awesome. And these little Chevys here. And another pickup truck. And this thing here, I don't know what it does. Something comes out, or I don't know. I'll have to figure that one out. A bunch of telephone poles and street signs, railroad crossing signs, and other stuff. A power supply, battery charger power supply. Okay. More of that plastic stuff, we don't know what it is. That looks like a log holder thing. Awesome. Another pickup truck. Couple of people here. Oh, wheelbarrow. Some workers or something there. Alright, they're neat. This is unbelievable. Ton of track. Half of this is nickel metal track, nickel silver, which I won't use. So maybe I'll have to eBay that, or if somebody uses a nickel track, make me an offer. I'll have to sort it out and see how much I have. Okay, so this pile of junk here for $10. That's more than $10 worth of fun, I tell you. Alright. this up. So I sorted this out here, and it came to 14 curves that are nickel silver, 6 straights that are nickel silver, 2 turnouts that are nickel silver. I'll probably keep those. 9 curves that are brass. This is nickel silver re-railer terminal. Like 4 or 5 straights there. Oh, here's a terminal. That's brass. That's nickel silver. Okay, another one. And all this stuff here that somebody cut up in pieces here. So I need to cut the messed up ends off of that. Okay. And the first thing I bought here, let's see. These were 3 for $5. So I got a Jello car. I like that. Jello with strawberries on it. Another dump car. Very nice. You know what? I got this, I think, for $1. I don't know. It was, yeah, because I bought these 3 for $5, and I got him to throw this in for $1. And this is a little searchlight, and it actually has metal wheels on it, so it will actually operate. So how cool is that? Oh yeah, and he threw in a DVD, Trolley Times. Okay. So is that all of it? Oh, you know what? Okay, in a $10 mystery bag or box, I also got this here kit. It's train station. There you go. That's a train station kit. Very nice. So that goes in that $10 pile there. This here, I don't remember where I got that. It says McKeesport. That's McKeesport's out in Pittsburgh. McKeesport Coal Company. I don't know which pile of stuff that came from. I was looking at a locomotive, and see, I'll sell it to you for $4. Alright, sure. And he had 2 flats of rolling stock, and he said, why don't you buy both of those boxes for $20? So I don't know if I got a good deal or not. Let's see what we got here. So here, American Freedom Train. It's got George Washington and Jefferson on that side. And I can't see what that is. It looks like Jackson probably. North Carolina car. Another box car with a cow in it. A dirty box car. Yeah. Okay, same thing. CNJ, another box car. And another box car. Does it have anything in it? Oh my gosh, there's a motor in there or something. I'll find out what that does. Yeah. Don't tell me that's a DCC unit. Okay, well, that's interesting. Is there a cattle car or something? Missing some wheels. That says Clam Diggers Cannonball. Some parts to a locomotive. I don't know what that is. You know, trains. I don't know if it's like a roof or something. Miscellaneous pieces. Okay, that one says Evergreen. KD couplers, $4 each. This is heavy. What the heck is in here? Okay, maybe it's just a really heavy box car. Evergreen Freight Car Corporation. A Baltimore and Ohio Shell. Another box car. It's pretty dirty. Another box car. Okay, so I don't know if I did so great on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 box cars, a shell for an engine, semi-trailer, a tractor, semi-trailer without the front, and that one without the front for 20 bucks. That's not too bad. Not great, not my best deal. Clean this up. Alright, here we go. Some N-Gage Pennsylvania passenger cars. He wanted 10 bucks a piece. I said, how about 3 for 20? So he said, okay. So they look pretty nice. I think that's a good deal. I bought the Silver Streak caboose for 2 bucks because I have a Silver Streak engine. And I think I bought these 3 together. I wanted to, well, I got a Union Pacific engine, so that'll go with that. Ralston Purina car, I like that. And this was just, it says Railbox, a nationwide boxcar pool. Just looked like a nice boxcar. This one here, I don't know where that came from. Ended up in my bag. And this one here missing a set of wheels. I think it was in that $20 pile. Okay, here's my $4 locomotive. Boom. That works good, just like that. Okay, here's a searchlight that kind of works. Needs some cleaning. I didn't know they actually made one of these, and here I made one with my printer. It's a $3 Chessie Loco. Let's see if that does anything. It's pretty dirty. It barely moves. I'm not expecting a lot, but we'll see. Okay, I also got some gears here, and what I was after was the drive shaft coupler here. So I paid 3 bucks a piece for those little bags. So total damage, 79 bucks today for all this and this track. And I really have to find out what this is all about here. Looks like it makes sound. Is that a speaker in there? Yes, that's a speaker. So that must be like a DCC controlled sound card. Alright, this is exciting. I was looking through some junk in the box and found this piece of paper which explains what this little house is. And this is a gravel unloader or a log unloader. So that would go there. And there's a little hook right there. So if you turn that, actually dump your car. It's a little sticky, it's not lining up right. I'll figure that out. Super cool. Thanks for watching. And that's it. There's a lot of fun stuff here.